Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Right, today I'm going to be doing a collaboration with Tracy at Mini Scenes GB. It's a one-to-one collaboration and the theme is making a project from multiple moulds. One project, one make, multiple moulds. So I've got out 2 sphere moulds, and if anybody's watched this video, I did a candlestick with this splat thing, and all I've done is I've put some foam clay in because I don't want the candlestick bit, I just want the splat. All right, have you got any ideas what I'm doing? How's that give it away? Anyway, so I'm gonna get some resin mixed up. I'll be right back with you. I'm using Teexpert resin. There's 250 mils of resin there, and I'm going to be using this generic mica powder. It's a pearl white. I got it in a pack from Marketplace, oh god, years ago. It's a really nice colour. I might need it all, but I think that should be plenty. Have you worked it out yet, what I'm making? I'm going to leave a link in the description box below for Tracy's video. Although I think we'll be doing that collaboration thingy. I've forgotten what it's called. So hopefully it'll say Tracy's and my name underneath this video. Oh, I think that's plenty. God, that's beautiful. That is really pretty. I'm going to pour the spheres first. We'll do the small one. The big one I'm not going to fill up to the top. I'm going to need to mix up some more resin. That's fine. I didn't want it all the way up to the top, but to fill the splat in, because there's no resin for that at all. So what I'm going to do is I'll mix up some more resin. I'll fill this with exactly the same as that, and I'll come back for demold. Right, they're all cured now. Let's see if we can take this one out. It's been a couple of days, so I'm a bit concerned about that clay, whether I'll be able to get it off. Oh yeah, it's coming off, look, lovely. That's a bit hard. I'll see what I can do about that. Now, I've never used a sphere mould. Don't even know how I'm going to get it out. Let's loosen it a bit. Yes, I'm confused on how to get it out. Right, that was quite easy once I put it up against me. Very nice. I'll bring this back in. That's going to sit on there like that, although a bit large. Can you guess what it is yet? Same again, I'll take this off camera. Well, that one came out easy as well. There we go, that's sitting on top like that. Can you guess now? It's a snowman. I'm sure you all guessed it, and he's melting. Although I wish I'd have filled that up a bit more, and then it wouldn't be quite so large. Right, all I'm going to do is I'm going to sand the bottoms, sand that, try and clean that out as much as possible, sand that, and then we'll come back to stick it together. Okay, they've been sanded now. I'm going to use this glue I got from Temu. I do like this glue, it's very good, and I'm going to put plenty on. We want it to stick properly. Right, let's hope it stays because it wants to slip. Once this is done, I'm going to try and knit him a scarf if I can find my wool. And I'm going to make him a hat as well. I can't show you him properly, not yet, while it's sticking, but I'm going to have to sit with it because unless you get it just so, it slides. So as soon as it's all glued up, I will be back. I found some paper ribbon, and all I've done is I've stuck 2 together. That's the nearest I had to white, which it looks yellow when it's on the snowman, but it will do. Very nice, that paper ribbon. I forgot I had it. And I've cut some pieces out of felt. I've used a circle punch, 2 different sizes, 1.5 and a 2 inch, and I've made these. So I've also cut a strip of foam, and I'm just sticking it together there. The pegs are just holding it till it glues, and I'm going to stick that on there and then onto there to make a hat. When that's glued, I'll be right back. Right, I've just stuck that onto the base. It's starting to look like a hat, isn't it? Just trying to get it as round as possible. And we're going to stick the lid on the top of the hat. Don't know whether Is it going to fit? Yeah. I'll put it around here. There we go. Little top hat. And like I say, as soon as he's dried, the glue's dried, I'm going to stick this on his head. And then we'll decorate a little more. Try and get this as straight as possible. There we go. It's had a couple of hours now for the glue to dry. It's not completely dry, but I thought we'd decorate it. Now, I've cut some decals out from the Cricut. I'm thinking them eyes are too big, but we will give it a whiz. And these were from a project leftovers from the other day, and I'm going to stick one on his hat. Stick his hat on his head. Now, this collaboration, if anybody has not seen Tracy's, then please go over and watch. She'll do something brilliant, I know she will. I'll leave the link for Tracy's, but I'm sure most of you know where she is, but I will leave it in the description below, and then you can go and watch whatever goodness she's doing. I'm going to speed you up while I decorate all this bit, because all I'm doing is gluing things on, putting the decals on. Okay, he's all finished. Got his top hat on. Beautiful face, except he's quivering a bit because he's melting. I've put a candy cane on. What do you think? I wish I'd used a different scarf, but I really, really like him. Yeah, I think he's very, very cute. Yeah, very cute indeed. Melted snowman. I hope you've liked this video, and please go and check Tracy at Mini CSGB. Go and check her out, see what she's doing. Like I say, gonna be wonderful, no doubt about it. And thanks ever so much for watching, everyone. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you for the next one. And stay for the photos, that'd be great. Bye.